Hi guys, hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to the first video in the series of altcoin price and price prediction and buying zones for the bear market of 2022 and 2023. Now, let's try to keep this video as short as possible, okay? Because there is so many altcoins we have to cover, so we need to keep the videos short, and then you can benefit also from it, okay? So what we'll do is we'll take one coin every day. I'll try to post two videos every week, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so in this video you will see a lot of buying zones for so today the topic is Dogecoin. Okay, so we'll start with Dogecoin. Now this is as per the request which my followers have sent me on Twitter. So in the comment section you can put your coins that you're interested in figuring out that what is the buying positions for them. Okay, and then I'll take it from there and make videos every day. Okay, so like I do every time, I have already made the chart for you guys, so we don't have to waste time on it. Now before I start the video, there are some assumptions and there are some disclaimers. Okay, so let's start with assumptions and disclaimers. Yeah, so the first assumption will be that the first disclaimer will be this is a highly volatile coin, so invest at your own risk and do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Yeah, and don't marry the coin. Okay, so once you buy it, once you are in some position in the coin, then you can go around and start taking profits as the coin go up. I'll post a separate video citing that which are the good zones to take profits on. Okay, so yeah, Elon Musk is not going to help you. You are going to make your own decision. Nobody is going to help you. Okay, guys, so you have to make this on your own. Yeah, so let's start the daily time frame analysis because this will be the bear market low for 2022. So let's start with that. Then we'll go to lower time frame analysis. Okay, so as you can see that Dogecoin has reversed almost over here, almost 91% from all-time highs, and I'm expecting those to come somewhere in this zone. Okay, now why I expect this to come here over here, because is normally I try to make a grid trading for my spot investments. Okay, you can use GAN, you can use Elliott wave theory, whatever you want, but this is the simplified version of GAN which I want to follow. So I normally make try to figure out what are the support zones. Okay, because here you cannot know points to buy on, so you need to work on zones. Okay, because if you wait for one point and go all in and all out, it is never a good spot investment. Yeah, so having said that, this is the zone I have identified. This is the first zone for me for buying Doge if I want to, if ever I want to get into it. Okay, so why I say that is because you see this is the parallel channel I have drawn joining these 2 points, and this is the parallel channel I have drawn joining these 2 points. You can see this is a good parallel channel which was offering a lot of support, and this parallel channel has been covering the downside price action. Okay, so if you draw these two parallel channels, the support box comes over here. Okay, you can see this rectangle over here. This is coming somewhere here. Now you need to find additional point of confluences in the zone. Like you can see there is a lot of support around this line over here. This line will offer a lot of supports, and then this is the Fibonacci level for them. Yeah, so here you can see that fib of 0.5 support is somewhere on this line, okay, in the bottom, and now we are somewhere in the 0.618. Okay, so we have bounced from this zone because there was some high volume here, so we have bounced from this zone, lot of liquidity grab, and now we are getting support on the 0.618. Okay, now if you have not watched the BTC how to make money trading BTC video, then I'll put a description in the end. Please go and watch that video. Okay, because without watching that video this will not make any sense, because all my analysis is based on previous price action. That is why there are two assumptions I have made. One is expected BTC drop is 34%. Okay, and there is something called as gearing ratio which I made a video on. I'll put a description on top, so you can, if you have not watched that, I strongly recommend go and watch that. So I've calculated the BTC and Doge gearing ratio for you, which is 1.3 over here, and if I expect a BTC drop of 34% to happen, then 34 multiplied by 1.3 is giving me, you can see here, 34 multiplied by 1.3 will give me a drop of 44% roughly. Okay, so that is how I estimated this zone for Doge over here, and then I started looking for additional confluences. Okay, so on the basis of the supports which I told you, 0.618 and zero point 0.5, this is the first zone I'll try to take a trade on. This is not for long-term investment. It might bounce, go up and come down again. But these are the four important buy zones I have marked for you. Yeah, I'm sure this is quite clearly visible. So you can see that your investment will come at 95% drop from all-time high. So this will be a very good zone to buy for Doge if you are really interested in it. Yeah, and if BTC does not do well and if it goes below 10K or around 10K, then I see that this is the lowest Doge can go in the bear market, because this will be a 86% drop from the current price action. Okay, but there is high possibility it can come here, but there are a lot of supports, 0.382 support and 0.23 support, and you can see the impulse wave POC, the full wave POC point of control comes around here. Okay, so I think that this is the lowest Doge can go. Unless the project gets scrapped, it can go to zero also. So this is the higher time frame analysis. Okay, now moving on to some lower time frame analysis for you. If you go to 4 hours chart, then you can see that just a second, then you can see that this is the top for Doge. Let's just go to the 8 hours first. Yeah, so you can see that Doge has been putting a continuous downtrend. Okay, so if you want to think that the correction is finished, then you would like to draw a Elliott wave of 1 2 3 4 5 in this. So you can see the first wave was here, second wave retraced to here or here. Okay, I think that we are in the third wave. Okay, then we can get one more wave up somewhere around this zone, and then a fifth wave down to our targets. Okay, so this is my long-term plan for Doge. I think this will be the pattern Doge will follow before falling down. Now this is the long-term plan. If you want to trade Doge short-term in spot for leverage trading, we have to do a completely separate video on Doge. But if you go on the 2 hours chart and you want to draw some Elliott wave on Doge, then you can see that uh, I'll explain you how I see it. You can see that a clear ABC pattern formed over here. Yeah. So inside the C wave, there was a small ABC you could trade on. Yeah. You can see this is the ABC inside the bigger wave. You can, as soon as it gave a swing failure low and went up, you could have taken a long position. This would have been a very good trade. Okay. So now if this is my ABC, then I think that now we are in the B. Okay. So I think that we are somewhere in this zone over here. We are making this wave to hit this range over here. It can overshoot a little bit because there is a lot of liquidity. So if you target this resistance over here, then I think this will be my completion of B wave. Okay, and if that has to happen, then you would see something like this now, retracing from top, because BTC, I am inclined that BTC will make a correction. So I think Doge will come somewhere like this. That will complete the micro B wave and the macro B wave, and then it will start going up. Okay, so once this ABC happens, you can take a short on Doge from here, or you can take profits on Doge on here, and then a bigger ABC gets completed like this. Yeah, and we enter our buy zone over here. Now this is the plan. I think that might work for Doge. Now I don't know what is going to happen exactly, but for now, with all the data points that we have, I go from this because this is giving me a nice subwave. You can see that this C wave which will happen will also happen in steps. Maybe it will break this resistance, this support over here, and then test it at resistance and then come down. Okay, so if this happens, you can take a long trade also from this swing failure low. If you drop on lower time frames, you'll get better entry, but I think 2 hours is a good time frame for this. Okay, so I think this will complete the bigger 1 2 3 4 5 pattern which I was referring to before. Like you can see, the bigger 1 2 3 4 5 will get completed, and then will be due for an up move over here. Yeah, So this B will complete my fourth wave over here, and then this will be my fifth wave. Yeah. So I think this made a lot of sense for you, this Elliott wave analysis and price prediction for Doge. Please comment in the comment section that what are the uh, coins you would like me to do a prediction on, and I'll take your request from there and try to keep adding in this playlist as we go forward. Okay, guys. So you can take a screenshot of this chart and you can use it for your own benefit. I'll just align it for you. Yeah. So I think this is enough, and I think this video added a lot of value to you. Yeah, and thank you for watching. I'll be back with one more video today, and yeah, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel if you like the content. Yeah, thank you guys. Have a good day. Enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.